Okay, I'm about to give you the secret, the only thing you need to know if you're out here trying to make money as a creator and you want to make more money or any money. Like literally, this is the strategy to make 10K a month as a creator or more, and it's the only strategy you need.
This video is sponsored by Uscreen. More on them in a minute.
Hey, howdy, hey, y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So like every so often I'll be on TikTok and I'll be watching these like videos and creator videos and whatever. And people will say things that make me realize that there are creators out there that want to be creators, weren't just like accidental creators, that don't understand this strategy. So the other day I was actually watching a creator on TikTok, and she came on and was talking about how she doesn't make a dime from her content, that she's an American living in Canada and Canadians can't get access to the creator fund and blah, blah, blah. But the whole time I'm watching it, I'm thinking like, honey, like the creator fund is garbage anyway, number one. And number two, like you can do so many more things to make money. And that's what this strategy is. If you want to make 10K per month as a creator, you need to have multiple streams of income. That is the strategy, okay? Multiple streams of income. I see it going two ways. People who will just rely on brand deals, and that is like the only way I can make money, or people relying completely on creator funds or like YouTube AdSense. And that is the only way I can make money. And both of these are incorrect and wrong and will leave you feeling like a broke creator if that's all you're paying attention to. See, the TikTok creator fund is garbage. There isn't really one anymore on Instagram because Instagram was like, this isn't working. Peace out. And YouTube AdSense is awesome, but it can be really flaky and unpredictable. And for small creators especially, it's still not gonna be any good amount of money. So if you're sitting there and you're trying to be a creator, you are a creator, and you're like, okay, Jessica, spill the tea. I wanna talk about 5 different income streams that I think most creators can and should have. And this is just 5. There are lots of others besides these. And let me just like preface all of this by saying, when you have multiple streams of income, if one of them gets interrupted for some reason, you know, like who knows? Like there could be all kinds of reasons, right? YouTube for some reason didn't pay you this month or whatever, right? But if one of them gets interrupted, you have all of these others to fall back on. And if you're just relying on one stream of income, you are literally only making like 1/5 or 1/6 of the money you could make. So all of these added together can make you really good money. So just understand that like this strategy works. I have done it. Most creators that are super successful have done it. And I promise you that this is the thing you should do. Okay? All right. To give you some examples of the streams of income you can have as a creator, I'm going to start with the most obvious, and that is brand deals. So brands are out here looking for small, medium, and large creators to pay to promote their stuff. So brands are out here like, hey, we have this new, like this Peter McKinnon lens is, or filter is on my desk. We have this new filter that we're going to start promoting. Can we pay you? By the way, this is not sponsored by Peter McKinnon, but it is sponsored by Uscreen. And again, we'll talk about that in a minute. And like literally it's an example of what I'm talking about. But let's say they sent this to me and they were like, hey, we want you to do a video about this and we will pay you X amount of dollars. That is a brand deal. And there are brand deals for digital services like Uscreen that I'm going to tell you about in a minute, or there's brand deals for physical products too. And so there's like this whole gamut of brand deals that we as creators can take advantage of. And the more engaged your audience is, the more money you can charge for that. I mean, there are people making, you know, multiple 6 figures a year from brand deals, probably way more than that actually. And so just understand that there are brands looking to partner with creators every single day. And at first, this may be something where you have to go out and find the brands, but I promise you, as you get bigger and you grow and things happen and we scale, brands will start coming to you. And then it's like fairly easy to incorporate brand deals into the content you were already gonna create. Second stream of income that I would highly recommend is affiliate marketing. Y'all, I bought this sweatshirt off of some girl's affiliate link on Instagram. I don't even remember where it's from. I think it's like H&M or somewhere. I know y'all are gonna ask. I'll try and find it and link it. But It was on sale for like $20 and it's normally a $65 sweatshirt, and it has Nirvana and like the fun smiley faces all over. Like, why would I not want that, right? And so when I bought this from her link, she made a commission. If I'm promoting this filter to you below in the description and you go buy it through my link, I make a commission. If I'm like, hey, bubbly water is the best thing since sliced bread, and I link below a pack of bubbly water from the Walmart, I'm gonna make a commission if you go through that link and buy it. Affiliate marketing is the easiest place to start making money. And now listen, I don't want you to get it twisted. It is not going to be this like massive stream of income for most people, especially depending on what you're promoting and like the cost and the breakdown of the affiliate payout. So for instance, if I promote bubbly waters and a box of bubbly waters is $6 or whatever it is, right? I'm probably making literally pennies every time someone purchases a box of bubbly waters. So let's say 10 cents, right? And I'm like, it's gonna take a lot of people buying bubbly waters through my link for me to make any bit of money, you know? But let's say I'm selling this camera with this lens. This setup right here is like not cheap, okay? I mean, it's in the thousands of dollars, right? The setup I'm filming on, thousands of dollars. So if I'm sitting here and I'm promoting that to you and you go through my link to purchase it, even if the commission rate is the same, even if I'm only making like 10% on both, 10% of this is a lot more money than 10% of this, right? But most people are not in an industry where they're promoting things like this. Like, that's pretty rare, but that's where you're gonna make kind of the big bucks. If you're promoting smaller price things, then it's gonna take you a little bit longer to get there, but it's still money just for creating content. All right, so platform pay. This is the creator fund on TikTok. This is the YouTube AdSense situation here on YouTube. This is what Instagram tried to do for a little while with Reels, but platforms will pay you to create content on their platform. And the most lucrative one by far is YouTube. YouTube is paying people like millions, a bajillions of dollars a month to put content on the platform, because what happens is YouTube splits ad revenue with you, and no other platform is doing that, you know? But there absolutely is platform pay on certain platforms, and you can definitely take advantage of that as an income stream. These next two that I'm gonna talk about are the most overlooked by creators. Like, of course, creators are doing brand deals and affiliates and probably platform pay. They're probably not doing any of them well, but those are the three they've probably thought of. These next two, I can guarantee you have not thought of, and they're things that can make a massive difference, okay? And so, number 4 here on this list of streams of income is courses and memberships. Y'all, if you are creating any type of content on the internet, someone sees something you're doing as something they would like to do too. Now, creators who start as educators, which is how I've done it, this is gonna come really easy, because it's like, okay, well, on my content, I teach people X, Y, and Z, so of course, a paid course about X, Y, and Z is gonna do well, right? But there are creators going viral for things like eating the certain types of foods that can create courses or memberships for people to be able to get more access to their recipes or whatever. And on the membership side, there are creators who people love your content so much that they would pay to get more content from you every single week, right? And so those types of things can drastically increase your income streams. And I know we've talked about this before, but courses are my #1 stream of income and have been since the inception, and are always something that I am trying to remind people about. Now, y'all know that this video is sponsored by Uscreen, and they fit perfectly right here. Like, perfectly talking about courses and memberships. Because let me tell you what, this is about to blow your freaking mind, because it blew my mind. I'm just saying. If you're creating courses or memberships or just like members only content in some way, this is the perfect platform for you. Not only can you have like a Netflix style bingeable experience ready for your members so they can binge your content like, whoa, but you can also go live in the platform. Like, you don't have to direct them off to somewhere else. Like, you can go live in your membership through Uscreen. And you can charge money for this. You can charge people to get access to it. Like, What? And my favorite part of Uscreen, like my absolute favorite part, is the app. Like when you have a Uscreen membership, your members can get access to that via an app.
And it's a white labeled app, so people don't even know it's from Uscreen. It literally looks like your own app, and it makes it super freaking fancy and fun.
And this allows you to push notifications when you have new content, or when you plan to go live, or when there's like a conversation inside your private community that they should check out. Your content in the membership is literally in your members' pockets. Like, how freaking cool is that? When I got a demo of Uscreen to be able to be like, okay, this is definitely something I want to check out more of and like see more of, it blew my ever-loving mind. It's got a community feature, it's got this Netflix style bingeable situation going on, and it's beautiful, and it's got this app, and like people are paying and then they just come in and they get more access to your stuff, and it's chef's kiss. It is an amazing, amazing way to build out this type of income stream if you're a creator. And everything's all in one place. Like your community's there, your videos are there, your content is there, your live streams are there. It's set up in a way to help you create a membership that will blow their freaking socks off and make them beg to be a part of your membership, because it's that easy. And what's really cool about Uscreen and memberships as a whole, as it relates to what we're talking about and making the 10K a month as a creator and all of that good jazz, is that this is recurring revenue. You get people in on a recurring basis. Like they come in and they know you're gonna drop them a members only video once a week or once a month, or you're gonna go live, or they're gonna have this community, and it's recurring revenue in your pocket every single month that you do not have to go out and make every single month. You just have to continue to get people in the membership. And Uscreen makes it so easy. If you want to check out Uscreen for yourself, go to heyjessica.com/Uscreen and let them know that Jessica sent you. Because we got to let them know that their sponsorship was not wasted and that y'all are amazing, right? Right. All right. Thank you again, Uscreen, for sponsoring this video. And let's get to this last income stream that's going to help you blow the lid off of your income as a creator. Digital freaking products. Y'all, I talk about digital products all the time on this channel, like all the freaking time. And there's a reason. Everybody can create a digital product that someone else wants to buy somewhere in this world in some kind of niche with your content. And you should be. Digital products are really easy to create, really easy to sell, really easy to set up to sell with a lot of different tools, and can be really easy for people to purchase as like kind of a toe dipping in the water situation with a creator that they just found. Let's say that you are a book creator, like you review books and talk about books, you know, on TikTok or YouTube or whatever. You could totally create a digital product where it's just a printable for them to write down their top 10 books in each category, or for them to plan out their book reading for the year, or even some kind of like workbook or printable per book, because you want people to be able to like really dive into these books and, you know, do all the things. You could also make printable art to go along with each book, or printable bookmarks to go along with each book. Like, OMG. The possibilities are freaking endless with digital products, and y'all know that because I talk about it all the freaking time. And if you don't know that, there'll be a card popping across here with a playlist that you can watch for digital products. But if you're trying to diversify your income streams, these are the first 5 that I would work on. You're not gonna get a brand deal from the jump. You're not gonna get a brand coming to you and being like, hey, mention us and here's some money. Like, that's not gonna happen with 0 people following you, right? It can happen pretty early on, but it's not gonna happen with 0. But you can go ahead and start working on affiliates. You can go ahead and put your name in the pot for platform pay. Now, whether or not you get that till a certain subscriber number or whatever is up to you and is up to the platform, but you can put your name in there and start doing the things you need to do to get there, right? You can create courses and memberships from the beginning, and courses and memberships, and especially memberships like with Uscreen, where they get content that's like behind a paywall or something like that. You can do that really early on. You just need a few people who want to pay you a few dollars a month to get more exclusive content from you, and you've got this awesome membership that you're making money from with very few followers. And the same thing goes with digital products. All right, so if you're looking to make 10K as a creator, this is it. This is the only strategy you need. This is it. I could tell you all day long how to get more brand deals and higher paid brand deals and how to negotiate and all of these things. But what it really comes down to is getting multiple streams of income, and especially from the beginning, so that while you're building up the brand deal side, you can be working on the affiliate side. Or while the affiliates are building up, you can be working on a course or whatever. But diversify that income to make money as a creator, and I promise you, you will not regret it. Thank you, Uscreen, for sponsoring this video. If you have questions, hit me up in the comments below. And until next time, bye y'all.